Fake taxi operator robbed woman of cash and cell phone and withdrew $100,000 from her account. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the Halfway Tree Criminal Investigation Branch, CIB, are seeking the public's assistance in locating a man who reportedly robbed two women of their cell phones and bank cards and withdrew $100,000 from an automated teller machine ATM. The man is wanted in connection with robbery aggravation and unauthorized access to computer data. Reports are that on August 18, the man was among a group of men traveling in a white Toyota Probox motor car with red registration plate affixed, perpetrating a taxi. Two women boarded the taxi and were reportedly robbed of their cellular phone and cash. The men then took one of the woman's debit card, demanded her PIN, and withdrew $100,000 from her bank account. Closed-circuit television from the ATM displayed the man's image along with another man at the location during the withdrawal. Anyone with information who may be able to assist the police in locating the man is being asked to contact the Halfway Tree CIB at 876-926-8185, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.